Hey everyone, you're here with Mark Batwell, CEO of Perfect Gardens. So as you've been watching, we've been showing people how to survive after an economic shutdown with grace. Starla?
Please like this video, subscribe to his channel, which is who you're seeing on the screen, and comment down below what you thought about it.
Thank you very much. So today we are talking about incorporating homeschooling and how to do that. We have a very unique assignment today. Obviously, seeds are getting planted. I know a lot of us want to get to work probably, or maybe not. President Trump wants us to get back to work in the next month or so. In the next month, we have to get our seeds in the ground. It's one of the most important things, especially with so much insurity, and just we want to be able to alleviate the pressure off the system. So what we're going to do today for our class is we're going to have all the kids, me and Sarah and River and Starla and Sage, each select some seeds. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually study each of the seeds, and we'll have one class, each of the seeds that the kids pick, what they're about, where they grow, the nutritional value, how to grow them, how to plant them, and the kids are going to educate themselves on each of the seeds they select. I grabbed a few bags to make it easy for them to separate them, and that's about it. And then we're just going to shoot a video on each of the seeds that they plant, one video at a time. Thank you so much, and kids, will you guys go ahead and select the seeds?
How many?
Until they're evenly distributed. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead and select what you want.
Okay.
We're going to basically just research one a day. Then we're going to plant them, harvest them. We're going to do post-production. We're going to do canning. We're going to do...
How long is this going to take?
Oh my God. It's going to take the rest of the summer and fall and the whole year.
Oh. It's going to be boring. Hey, give me my hat.
Guys, River?
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below.